Hey guys, we're Team Delta, and this is our Bop-It project. It's sort of like a Guitar Hero type controller thing. We've got three inputs: strum it, fret it, and down here, up here, whammy it. So I'm Carter.
I'm Lexi.
And I'm Maya.
Lexi worked on the enclosure.
The enclosure is all 3D printed using PLA. There's, I think 54 parts were printed total for this, and then it's mostly super glued together. Some pieces just fit as printed. And then, yeah, the only things not 3D printed are the button, the potentiometer that the whammy bar runs off of, the LCD display, these two LEDs, the buzzer, the reset button, power button, and then there are two switches inside the strum to make it actually strum. Those are the only things not 3D printed in this.
Okay, yeah. I worked on hardware. I got one of our pre-assembled PCBs that had some errors in it. We ended up reassembling a different one. But yeah, like Lexi was saying, our inputs are a potentiometer here, a couple of little switches under here, big old arcade button, and then we've got a buzzer here for audio feedback, and this LCD and a couple of LEDs for visual feedback.
And then for the software side of it, the way we set up the logic was to use polling for the inputs, as well as some flags so that the constant loop can handle different things like failures, timeouts, and choosing the task.
All right, so this is Delta Group's Bop-It design. Our three inputs are strum it, fret it, and whammy it. So I'll get started. That's fret, that is strum, and that is whammy. Whammy again. Again. That's fret. Come on, give me another strum. There we go. Okay, and I'll do something wrong to fail it, and then I'll start it again. And then I'll leave it to timeout. The time gets progressively shorter after a while, but if you, at the start, it's a pretty long time before it fails out. And there you go.